guys, so today I wanted to do a quick little video about how to make Aqua's fans. Now, I love Konosuba. It is definitely one of my favorite animes of all time. And I did a cosplay for her, just dressed up as her for a convention recently, and I absolutely love it, and it's so much fun, and I wanted to add my own twist because I have never really made a costume before. And to be honest, I didn't make this one either, but I did make the fans. So I was very excited. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was. And I'll pop in a couple of pictures here just to show you what they look like with the costume. And let's just get into how to make the fans. Easy peasy. Okay guys, when I say this video is quick, I was not lying. This is a very quick tutorial slash DIY on how to make these fans. And sorry if the camera is a little bit out of control, but I don't have like a gyroscope or anything, and I'm just holding it because I don't know what else to do. So these are the cool fans I made for Aqua's costume for her Nature's Beauty. Excuse my headphones on the floor, they are disgusting and covered in makeup. But these are the awesome cute fans that I made, and it's so easy and simple, very simple ingredients. The only annoying thing about them is because they are cheap and they don't actually fold from the paint. They're hard to travel with a little bit unless you like lay them flat in your suitcase, but they're pretty hardy. So let me just show you what you need in order to make the fans. So here's what you need. This is almost everything. You'll need a fan. I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is a different one than the one that I used. I used one that was almost all black and had less sparkles, but actually this one might be better because it has the flowers on it. I know Aqua's fan has flowers on it, but I didn't paint them because I can't paint. So you need a fan, again, Dollar Tree. You need a glue sticks and glue guns. You need lots of sticks because you're going to make the water portion out of the sticks. You also will need lights. Does this have batteries in it? It does. Ooh, almost purple. I also got these like little LED lights. They just have little battery packs, and they have the little LEDs on them. I got these in like a pack from Amazon. I think it was like $14 for like a whole gigantic pack of them with a bunch of different colors, which I used for a different costume. So I have a couple left over from that. You'll also need a pencil, which I'll show you on the back of this, just for support. And you'll also need blue spray paint. That's it. And then if you wanted to paint the flowers on, you probably could. That'd probably be pretty easy, but again, I don't know how to paint. So all I did was I taped off this portion of the fan with painter's tape, spray painted this part. That took probably 8 coats. I'm not gonna lie, it took a lot to cover this portion of the fan, but do know that when you do cover it with the paint gets the fan thick. So it's not like fabric anymore. Like you see, this is like pliable. This is not pliable anymore. So it does stiffen the fabric from that, so you can't really fold it anymore. But that's okay. I mean, if you wanted to do it, you probably could figure out a way, but the easy way is to just paint it. Easy. The next thing you want to do is you take your glue sticks. Let me turn this light off for a second. Oh, you also might want some glitter. I used glitter too. I just made this design out of glue sticks. So I just kind of traced on a piece of paper this like shape. I kind of like Googled an image of Aqua's fan from one of her figures and just kind of made the shape. I mean, if you were more artistic, you could probably get more water droplets and things like that, but honestly, because I knew I was traveling with it, I didn't want to get like too crazy or intricate because I didn't want it to like break apart. This is pretty thick. Like, look how thick this is. That's a lot of glue. It's very thick and very sturdy, so that's the reason I went with this. So basically, all you need to do is just create this shape with the glue, keep gluing until you get the shape you desire. Make 2 because there's 2 fans. And then I just put glitter on top of it while it was still kind of wet or drying, I guess. And I love how it looks with the glitter. It's so pretty. But then, because I thought, well, then you're also going to want to, I didn't take this on very good. The tape came off of this one. It's been through a lot. The fan's been through a lot. So all I did was tape on this pencil to help support the fan so it wouldn't fall over. Obviously, it's come undone a little bit. And then really all I did was tape the LED lights to the back since I knew I couldn't fold it anyway, and just kind of hot glued the lights onto the back. This is so bad, but I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks really cute. The nature's beauty. I think it's adorable, and I love it with the lights. This one, oh my god, it's falling apart. But you know, what are you gonna do when you're traveling with it? It's a freaking fan. It's not terrible. You just gotta hold it. It doesn't even like fall. Like, I mean, look, it's not bad. It's just a fan, and I think it would be really beneficial to paint the flowers on. It would look even better. But like I said, I'm not an artist, so it's probably out for me. But I think it looks so cute. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it looks stupid or do you think it looks cute? I love it. I think it adds to the costume, and I think it's adorable. I want to make her staff next. But we will see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little DIY. And that's it. Bye. Hey guys, thanks so much. I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, give this channel a thumbs up, or video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope you guys like this video. Check out my other social medias in the links below at Coley Chiops, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!